Hi my friend, welcome to my video review. Today I want to talk about boomerang method. What is boomerang method? Uh, Boomerang method, it's a new method. It's step-by-step video based training which you reveals the secret strategy of using the powerful traffic source Facebook. Personally, I have used Facebook traffic and I have got good result, but the strategy what Desmond reveals and really mind blowing, and myself had never heard of it about Facebook targeting, but it is a smart way of targeting which would bring lots of targeted traffic to your offer and making sale and money for you. So what you get with the boomerang method, you will get 80 step 8 step by step videos to follow and implement the secret boomerang method. You will also get and down for you template the blueprint that you must follow the hit the $100 per day. Model number 2, it's offer selection, how to pick $1,000,000 offer. The model number 3, the foundation of setup, step-by-step instruction, rotate the money code. And model number 4, dropping the money byte. Model number 5, it's filling your campaign and tuning them up. Model number 6 is campaign maintenance process. Model number 7, it's turning $100 into $1,000, the second strategy. And the model number 8, it's using the boomerang method as your daily money making strategy. Then you will also get access to a live webinar to be held in the February 2016. Only boomerang method is customer revealing how you can create $40 per month and online business by simply rotating this sample step case study of most successful students using this same system, how to apply into their one business down for your system that are going to hand to you one and silver butter worth $497 US free. Let's talk about bonuses. Bonus number 1, it's a free strategy section with Desmond Ang and Web in 2016 webinar against our old EOC by Desmond Ang, access to student group, mastermind and Facebook group. Bonus number 5, it's a surprise bonus, the selling in marketplace but free for Desmond Ang. Let's talk about UTOs. There is also the down for your niche with the template and the banners, which are really very valuable and convert like crazy. It's marketplace. There is are about 5 down for your niche to promote, and most important, you also get the down for your template and banner for you. Each name you can directly pick and blog. There is high quality personal template and banner which need to be creative and they are very costly. The design if outsourced. I highly recommend you should not miss this down for you receipt niche on the template, because this offer convert like crazy. This is they are at same offer Desmond has used and you was able to make a lot of sale on the commission. Even before I can cause the course, I myself have been using one of those niche which I still converting like crazy and bring and make good commission. No will be consulting and other for now. Your opinion of the boomerang method? Facebook is is one of the hottest traffic source available in the market, and a lot of marketers are making 4 to 7 figures with if you should really not in your this amount level the secret Facebook level that you can target now. I will highly recommend the grab this course as 3 step-by-step video course which is easy to follow and implement. Also, since its early launch phase, it's available over at very cheap price and anyone can afford a series about making money online. So